Why do bathroom exhaust fans affect my HVAC system? Bathroom exhaust fans affect your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system because they remove conditioned indoor air and can pull unconditioned outdoor air into your home. When a bathroom fan runs, it pushes indoor air outside, which creates slightly lower air pressure inside the house. Air then enters through cracks, doors, windows, attic openings, or other vents to replace the air that left. In summer, that replacement air may be hot and humid, making your air conditioner work longer. In winter, it may be cold and dry, making your heater run more often. The fan also removes air that your system already spent energy heating or cooling. A fan with a blocked duct, a long duct, or a weak outside vent may move less air than its label promises, while still creating pressure problems. An interesting detail is that a powerful fan can sometimes pull air backward through a fireplace, water heater, or furnace vent, bringing dangerous combustion gases into the home. This is called backdrafting, and it is more likely in a tightly sealed house or when several exhaust fans run at once. To reduce the effect, use the fan during showers and for about 20 minutes afterward, and make sure replacement air can enter safely. Have the duct terminate outdoors, not in an attic, because attic moisture can cause mold and wood damage. One common mistake is leaving the fan running for hours, so use a timer switch when possible. Another misconception is that a bigger fan is always better, but excessive airflow can waste energy and increase pressure problems, so choose a properly sized fan. People also forget to clean the grill and check the outside flap, so remove dust regularly and make sure the vent opens freely. If a flame appliance is nearby and you notice unusual odors, soot, headaches, or a flame that flickers, turn off the fan and contact a qualified professional promptly. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.